Here is your very spacious living space. Here is your kitchen space where you get an L-shaped granite platform. Here is your very spacious and beautiful master bedroom. Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. Today in this video we are doing our sample flat tour of 5 Race Course, which is located opposite of Sopan Bagh, Camp, Pune and developed by Sky Developers. As you can see, I am at the actual location and behind me is the sales office and the land parcel of this project. और इसी के आगे आपको इंटरनल रोड मिल जाती है जो आपको कनेक्ट करती है कैनाल रोड. बट बिफोर डाइव इनटू द प्रोजेक्ट, लेट मी टेल यू व्हाट इज Housey. Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyers directly with the developers, thereby giving you bottom rate price. Unlike other current listing platform, where if you do an inquiry, your number share with the other brokers, resulting lots of calls. Housey connects you directly with the builders, which means transparent pricing, genuine information and hassle-free home buying experience. So what are you waiting for? Book your dream home today through Housey. Now let us discuss the project overview with the help of the 3D model. This project is constructed on 4.5 acres of land parcel with the 3 towers, which includes 3-level parking plus 23 floors having 3 BHK, 4 BHK and 5 BHK premium residencies. As you can see, I am standing at the actual canal bridge and behind me is the land parcel and the sales office of this project. उसी के आगे आपको मिल जाती है कैनाल रोड, जिसका लेफ्ट साइड कनेक्ट करता है प्रिंस ऑफ वेल्स और राइट साइड कनेक्ट करता है भगवान तात्या साहेब कवड़े रोड. दिस प्रोजेक्ट इज लोकेटेड अपोजिट ऑफ सोपान बाग, कैंप, पुणे और इस प्रोजेक्ट की कनेक्टिविटी में आपको मिल जाता है सोलापुर पुणे हाईवे 550 मीटर्स, एम्प्रेस गार्डन 2.9 kilometers and Season Mall 4.9 kilometers away. Now let us discuss the amenities of this project with the help of the 3D model. This project has 45 plus luxurious amenities such as aquatic swimming pool, clubhouse, gym, tennis court, indoor games, football court and many more. As you can see, I am standing right in front of the 4 BHK sample flat, which has a carpet area of 1879 square feet. Now let's check out it. Now here is the entrance of the sample flat, where at the entrance you get a digital door lock for security purpose. As soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby where you can customize it with decorative items or you can set up a shoe rack. Now let's check out the living space. Here is your very spacious living space where you can set up your couch. You also get an attached balcony which has an anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing and 3-side covering. Now before I show you the dining space, let me show you the first bedroom, as this flat is based on the butterfly concept. As soon as you enter, you get an entrance lobby of your first bedroom. Now here is your spacious first bedroom where you can set up your bed. You also get an attached large window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a walk-in wardrobe attached to washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer wet tiles and glass partition. Now let's check out the dining space. Now this is your dining space where you can enjoy your breakfast, lunch and dinner with your friends and family. Now let's check out the kitchen. Here is your kitchen space where you get an L-shaped granite platform with an attached sink, an attached dry balcony, also with an attached sink. You also get an attached window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. Also, here in the dry balcony, you can set up your washing machine and utilities. Now let's check out the second bedroom. Before that, let me show you the common washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vertified tiles and glass partition. Here is your second bedroom, where you can customize it with a lounge or kids room. Also, you can set up your bed. You also get an attached balcony, which is connected to the living space, which has an anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing and 3-side covering. Now let's check out the third bedroom. Here is your beautiful third bedroom, where you can set up your bed. You also get an attached window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. You also get a space where you can set up your wardrobe. Also, you get an attached washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vertified tiles and glass partition. Now let's check out the master bedroom. But before that, let me tell you what Housey provides. Housey provides you with the sample flat videos, actual location tour, pros and cons of the project, EMI and payment schemes, 360-degree location tour. All of this just under one platform. So what are you waiting for? Book your site visit today. Now let's check out the master bedroom. As soon as you enter your master bedroom, you get a walk-in wardrobe with an attached master washroom, which has an anti-skid tiles, CP center fitting, designer vertified tiles and glass partition. Now here is your very spacious and beautiful master bedroom, where you get a lot of walking space with a wooden flooring, where you can set up your bed and TV unit. Also, you get an attached balcony, which has an anti-skid tiles, Teflon glass railing and 3-side covering. You also get an attached window for natural sunlight and ventilation purpose. So everyone, this was a 4 BHK sample flat tour of 5 Race Course, which is located opposite of Sopan Bagh, Pune and developed by Sky Developers. For more information about this project, please click the below link and download your e-brochures and price sheet. For more such videos, please like, share and subscribe to the Housey's YouTube channel and book your dream home today.
If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.